Hi everyone, Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group. Just going over the monthly market update for the 5 zip codes that make up Myrtle Beach, which are 29577, 79, 7288, and 29575. And then I'll go over them separately in case you are just interested in your own. And they will be on my website for you to view. They'll also be on YouTube. My website is vickisellsgrandstrand.com. So let's see. You can kind of compare too from last year to this year. We're ahead of where we were last year in 2023 for June. 490, 891 compared to 449. Average days on market about the same as they were in 2023. We are up per price per square foot at 197. Little bit more inventory, so it's taken a little longer to sell. 3.4% months of supply. We have 106 active listings. In 29577, we have 29 pending in June, and we had 34 closed. Okay, for 29577 Myrtle Beach, which is like the Prestwick area, and just so you know, the 29577 is like the Market Common area and the Palmetto Point Road area. Actually, no, it's not. It's just Market Common. I take that back for 29577. Okay, so 29575. 583, 156 was the average price per square foot. Wow, look at compared to 2023. So it's a good time to sell your house. For one, we don't know what's going to happen in the election. It's anybody's guess. Okay, average days on market, really about the same, 88 to 77. Our price per square foot went up a lot there, 249 compared to 196 last year. Months of supply is longer because we have more listings. So, 4.1%. Right now in 2024, we have 153 active listings in 29577 or 75, and we only had 70 before. 40 pending, 35 closed sales in June. 29579, which is Carolina Forest area. That also went up from 2023. Now it's 513, 837. It's not too. Average days on markets are about the same. Our price per square foot did raise from 159 to 162, so still a good time. Call me if you're looking to sell your house before the election. Never know what's going to happen. Look at these active listings is because they're still building out there. That's why there's so many. 378. We had a lot of them in 2023 as well. 142 pending sales and 116 closed. That's awesome. 29572 is the Barefoot Landing area of Myrtle Beach, and that is also up from June of 2023. We're at 884, 630. Awesome job. 103 compared to average days on market, 111. Price per square foot went up a lot. 276 compared to 248. We have 3.6% inventory, 65 active listings, 28 pending sales, and 23 closed sales in June. And then the last is 29588, which is off of 707, and then where I said Palmetto Point, off of 17 bypass. That's part of that as well. That actually went up too. So 389, 816 compared to last year. So that's all good. Everybody is up from last year. 116 days on market to before that's sold on average. 155 is the price per square foot, which is up. 2.6 inventory, so just a bit more. 231 active listings because they are building there as well. 110 pending sales, which is awesome, and 80 closed sales. So that's what happened in the 5 zip codes that make up Myrtle Beach. If you have any questions, please give me a call. I'm always here to answer any, to show you any properties, and also to get your home listed before the election. 843-222-7800. Take care and thanks for watching.